Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a builder floor. First, define your project scope and budget clearly. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process, helping you avoid unexpected costs later on. Next, secure all necessary legal approvals and permits from local authorities. This ensures your project complies with regulations. Then, select a suitable plot of land that meets your size and access requirements. Finally, engage experienced architects and contractors who can provide professional guidance throughout the entire construction journey. Moving on to design, focus on creating a functional floor plan that maximizes natural light and ventilation, making the space feel bright and airy. Design for open living areas to enhance the sense of spaciousness, which is highly appealing to potential buyers. Be sure to incorporate essential amenities such as multiple bathrooms and a modern, well-equipped kitchen. Thoughtful planning ensures efficient use of every square foot, adding significant value to your builder floor. Now, let's talk about the core construction. Begin by laying a strong foundation. This is paramount for the building's long-term stability and safety. Next, construct the structural framework using high-quality steel and concrete, ensuring robust support for all floors. Carefully install all plumbing and electrical systems according to your approved plans, paying close attention to safety standards. Finally, build the interior and exterior walls using durable and appropriate materials for lasting quality. For the final touches, apply high-quality finishes to floors, walls, and ceilings, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of each room. Install all doors, windows, and fixtures that perfectly complement your overall design scheme. Before handover, conduct thorough inspections to ensure all work meets the highest quality and safety standards. Lastly, complete any landscaping and exterior elements to boost the property's curb appeal, making it truly ready for occupancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.